forget that plain old fish burger. This one's rocking a crispy fried basa fillet, crunchy slaw, and a chili oil aioli that kicks like nothing you've had before. And we'll be starting with the coleslaw. It's fresh, tangy, and adds a crunch this burger needs. 300 grams green cabbage, 150 grams purple cabbage, 150 grams carrot, 60 grams shallots, half a cup light mayo, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon lime juice, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 2 teaspoons white sugar, half a teaspoon fine sea salt, half a teaspoon ground pepper. Start with shredding your green cabbage. Using your knife, make sure you cut it nice and thin. You can also use a box grater or vegetable peeler if you're worried about using a knife. Transfer the cabbage back onto the tray, and let's move on to the purple cabbage. Place the purple cabbage onto the tray and give your board a wipe down. Grab your shallots and cut them in half. Thinly slice the shallots. Transfer them onto a tray. Lastly is the carrot. Cut into 2 to 3 inch segments and square off each piece. Once that's done, we can julienne the carrots. Add the carrots back to the tray, and this is what you should have. On to making the dressing. In a large bowl, add in half cup light mayo, half a teaspoon ground pepper, half teaspoon fine sea salt, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon lime juice, 2 teaspoon white sugar, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard. Whisk until everything is fully incorporated. Add in all the shredded cabbage, carrots, and shallots to the bowl and toss it around until it's fully coated in dressing. The slaw is done and looking great. But we're not stopping there. This burger needs a sauce with a kick, so let's whip up a chili oil aioli. You will need homemade chili oil, light mayo, rice vinegar, and fresh garlic. Start with 2 tablespoons of light mayo in a bowl. Two cloves worth of crushed garlic, 1 teaspoon rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon homemade chili oil. Links to this will be in the description down below. Whisk until everything is combined. Now it's time to make the crispiest fish batter you've ever had. You will need basa fillets, all-purpose flour, cornstarch, baking powder, and light beer. Start by cutting your basa fillets into 4-ounce portions. These ones are 8-ounce, so I'll just cut them in half. Place them onto a tray lined with paper towel to absorb any excess moisture. In a separate tray, add a half cup of all-purpose flour. One teaspoon fine sea salt, 1 teaspoon ground pepper. Mix it together. Now, it's time to dredge our fillets. Make sure you get into every nook and cranny. Set the fish aside. Let's move on to our batter. In a medium bowl, add 120 grams all-purpose flour, 50 grams cornstarch, 1 teaspoon baking powder. Give it a quick mix. Add 1 teaspoon ground pepper, add 355 milliliters of light beer. Lightly whisk together the batter. We are looking for a pancake batter consistency, so a few lumps are fine. Just remember, if you overmix the batter, it won't be light and crispy. Set up your frying station and start battering your fish fillets. We are frying at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and will cook each fillet for 4 to 6 minutes. Make sure to swish your fish back and forth in the oil before dropping it. You're looking for a nice crispy batter that's golden brown. Once you hear that crispy batter, transfer it to a paper towel lined tray to drain. Don't forget to sprinkle it with some salt while it's hot. Now, let's build our burger. Today, we'll be using a toasted brioche bun. Spread a good dollop of chili mayo on both sides of the bun. Add some coleslaw to the bottom of the bun. Now, add our filet-o-fish on top. Might as well add some more coleslaw to top it off. And there it is, our crispy fried basa burger, stacked high with slaw, and that spicy chili oil aioli. Honestly, this thing is ridiculously delicious. If you'd like to help out the channel, hit that like button to appease the YouTube gods, and subscribe for more easy homemade dishes. And hey, drop a comment and tell me what's your ultimate burger build. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch you next time.